in law, is the Abuja Municipal Area Council a local government? Would you say AMAC?
Really, AMAC is not a local government per se. The man that has been given the assignment, the FCT minister, cannot on his own be delegate. No, delegatus not for delegate. You cannot delegate what has been delegated when we say local government, but acts whatever is inside.
If you feel that the mandate will not be of course, it's so. Fundamental right not to appear before it. If they have its reasons. In this, the confusion in this issue is that we really don't know who is the accuser and who is the judge, who is the prosecutor. Jubril raised the issue of the House was defensive.
Hello there and welcome to the program Legally Speaking, a program in which we look at power, politics and policies from the eyes of the law. Today we have a very important topic and we are looking at the law, the act that was recently signed by the president, the popular Not Too Young to Run Act. By it is said that the Nigerian youth has been empowered politically. Is that true? Is there anything that we get from that law? Is there something to celebrate? Join us after this break as you meet my guests and also go into discussions. Welcome. Welcome back. If you are just joining us, this is Legally Speaking, a program in which we look at power, politics and policies from the eyes of the law. I promised before this short break that I will introduce my guest to you, and he's a regular guest, a member of the House, Barrister Al Wokom, an Abuja-based legal practitioner. You know him, he doesn't need introduction. Sir, you're welcome.
It's a pleasure.
Yes, we said at the opener that we're looking at the Not Too Young to Run Act that was signed by the president. But by way of opener and the way of first segment maybe, what is the state of that act in the face of the constitutional provisions?
Well, ages are mentioned in the Constitution, and I expect the mover of that act that should come under a constitutional amendment. So whether it's an act of National Assembly, whether that is enough, I raise that issue because the constitutional provision of
ages of context.
Ages of one is a constitutional provision.
Yes.
I'll tell the constitutional provisions. But before then, I expected us to get the issue where independent candidacy come up. Both of them are constitutional provision, no independent candidacy. And if they are reduced to ages, I expect independent candidacy to be part of
what is going to happen.
What is going to happen? And then they amend the Constitution.
The bill should be to amend the Constitution.
The Constitution.
Not to make a fresh act in the place of the...
No.
Yeah. Because it's like the Electoral Act.
Yes.
That if you want to amend the sections that gave INEC direct duty power under the Act, it is a constitution that you
amend,
not to create a new
act.
Not
the create act under the Electoral Act. The Electoral Act is all taken from the Constitution.
Yes. So, Not Too Young to Run Act has provided new ages for qualification for contest of several positions: the governor, the House of Reps, the Senate, the presidency. It has tampered with those provisions as they are contained in the sections of the Constitution. Without first of all seeking to alter it in the Constitution itself.
Constitution.
That is a big problem.
That is my opinion. that is supposed to be an amendment of the constitution.
Not the creation of a fresh act.
A fresh act. And under that constitution,
Yes.
if they are going to amend the constitution, they should amend it electorally, together with
the independent
candidacy, whether 68 members, 68 parties or not. I need to be an independent person.
Yes. Well, it seems to me that the House did not take into consideration the issue that they were tampering with the provision of the constitution.
Yes, because let's mention this is the constitution.
Yes.
If you allow me, I'll
Yes.
read out the provision.
Yes.
Like section 65.
Yes.
They said qualification for membership of National Assembly and right of attendance. Qualification for election, that's what we are talking
Yeah,
about.
that was the question for election.
They said one, you must, a person shall be qualified for election as the Senate. He is a citizen of Nigeria, that's a citizen, has attained the age of 35 years.
Yes.
35 years.
It's a provision,
It's
it's
section
constitutional
50,
provision.
section
Yes.
50.
Yes.
That's then members of the House. Members of the House. He is a member of the House. He is educated up to school. That's but 2. He shall be qualified for election under subsection 1 of this section. Subsection 1 said 35 years.
Yeah. But the most important thing, Council,
Yes.
is that all those provisions
These are-
they are pretending to change are contained in the
These are
constitution.
constitutional provisions. So an act cannot amend the constitution. An
No.
act of an amendment of the constitution can amend the constitution. But an
Yes.
act to provide years for bail, I don't know, but that is my opinion.
Yes. The issue is, I don't think that act was meant to amend the constitution. I think it was a bill. It was
And prepared and ascended to bail.
Yes.
Ascended to a bill.
Yes, it's not ascended to as an amendment.
I hope they are
to the
not
constitution.
deceiving the young people.
Well,
Because if they take this thing there, we'll contest it.
oh sure,
We'll contest
sure it will be contested. But if for any reason it is not an amendment of the constitution, but a bill that decided to set up a new age qualification for contesting election on an act,
Yeah.
it will not work.
It is under section 2, chapter 2, and political objective. It's part of the creation of ages, where we can form an act. But this one, the provisions are made, so you want to reduce or increase, as the case may be.
You have to go and amend the
You
constitution.
amend that provisions of the
It
constitution.
should be an amendment. Now
Yes.
the constitution has been amended.
Yes.
And this is now the new age.
Yes.
Not that a new act has come under which you contest outside the provision of the constitution.
Yes, and there is nothing to celebrate really, because the independent candidate is not even there.
Yeah, I was going to come to that.
Yes,
you know, there was euphoria all over the place.
Yes.
Not too young to run. Somebody is 25, you can contest. Somebody is 35. But the issue is, who is a 25-year-old Nigerian in the state of our economy? Who is it?
You were a 25-year-old Nigerian live with a toddler.
It's a baby.
He's a baby. Most of the civil servants are almost 40 or 40.
Yes.
45. I think the room gave up to 50 before you are no longer playable. That means a baby.
Because if at 25 you are just living in.
And then local government, where they are really supposed to be, is not mentioned in those adjustments. Local government.
Yeah,
I don't know whether they were mentioned.
I'm not sure, but local government is not there. But I know that at 20, you probably will be, if you are fast, you probably will be coming out of the university. If you are lucky.
If you are fast,
If you are lucky. But because of these strikes and all sorts of things, I remember those days in the university, we don't know at the time. We didn't know whether we were students or renegades or whatever. But we lost like 2 years. Jega, I think it was Jega that was the president of us then.
Yes.
The Jega of INEC fame, yes. There's a lot of time wasting. By the time you emerge as ready to operate in the system, you're already 25. And at 25, you cannot do anything, because what they do now is you finish school, you go and do masters at the same time, because there's nothing for you to do.
The masters, before you do it, you must do your national youth service.
Yeah, but you have turn in 1 year. Then you come and do your masters.
Masters. That if there is money.
If there is money after masters, you remain at home. You are not doing anything. No job.
You are with your parents.
Then at 25, then you go and contest for government.
If it's a woman, she gets married at 30, 31. But as a man, you can't marry.
The law itself does not make sense to me in terms of empowering anybody.
It doesn't. I think they just gave it to the young people. You are looking for it, take it.
But there is no much difference.
Not
it's 5 years here, 5 years here,
5 years here, 5 years here.
They remove only 5 years.
Local government where they are supposed to contribute, it's not mentioned.
I was even thinking that what we should have done is to say that if you are there's an age to which you cannot contest.
Yes.
Than the age to which you contest.
Okay, put the age you
there's
can contest.
You're too old to run.
Too old to run.
That's what I'm going to do.
Too old to run. When you are 70,
you are home and dry.
You are home and dry.
Because the people that are celebrating not too young to run, forgetting that those people are too old and they are still there.
Yeah.
You know, in terms of
nobody is less than 60 before they become Nigerian president. Few of them alone, apart from maybe Jonathan,
who came out 56 or so.
That's those who are elected.
Obasanjo was almost
was over 70, and he made 2 years.
Yeah, plus 8. And the president, is the president now, President Muhammad Buhari succeeds
in his second tenure.
That he will retire
at 80 something. Because 4 years plus. He will retire at 80.
So the people that are celebrating not too young to run are actually misled.
And the money is with the people. And we don't bribe, but you need money
to buy form, to contest with the older person who has been there since. There is no provision for anywhere they can get money to go and run election, or they will be excluded from paying money. If you come before 30, you will not pay any money. The party will give you ticket. Even party primaries, can they come out of it?
They can come out of these mushroom parties, but when it comes to the real election, it becomes a problem.
They will not even contest the election because they can't campaign. Because if, for instance, the issue is, look, if you are 80 years or 70 years, don't come here again.
Don't 70. Yes. You are not.
Don't come here.
69. You can act for 1 year. Yes, you can take your form. If you're elected, you stay for 1 year and go.
But not that.
But 70.
There's somebody that is 70. I hasn't been in politics, and the kind of politics we play here, politics for earning a living. He has been there for 20 years.
Yes.
If somebody has been a governor, he has been a senator for 8 years. He became a senator somewhere in the house before they became governor, and then you come from your father's house at 30 and say you want to contest governor.
Unless your father is very rich.
That's what some people said. They said that they're only empowering their own children. The wealthy people are empowering their own children. Because what they are saying is, well, whether you like it or not, it's those who have money that will
win the election.
Yes. So if somebody is...
But independence candidacy
can change the whole lot.
Can change the whole thing, because if you are independent and you go to the states for House of Reps, House of Assembly,
yes,
House of Reps, House of Reps,
Senate,
Senate,
yes,
you can win.
You can. Why not?
Because you can afford to go house to house or something.
Yes, because there's strength.
Yes.
As a young man, there's strength. You can.
You know, most of them that have won in other jurisdiction are going from house to house.
Of course.
Yes, that the one in Kenya, the one in Ethiopia, the one in Hong Kong, the one in France, the president now, and some Americans. These are house to house. Even President Obama, even though he doesn't go to house, he had a network. He has a network that people contribute.
Not money. Yeah.
People contribute.
Yes. So, as it is, there's nothing here to celebrate about the bill.
Nothing.
All right. We'll come back to this topic and then we'll take it to the end. Welcome back. Before we went on that break, we were talking about assuming that this law is actually valid, who benefits from it. And I was saying that it is also only the children of the rich that can benefit from it.
Yeah.
Because if they beat the age limit, they can also put the money. Because if your father is 70 and retired from politics and stolen so much money or made so much money,
He has retired in court.
He retired in court. He can bring forth
He
his
can bring his child
25 years.
and give him the order of an 80-year-old.
Yes.
To go on.
Yes.
He's 25, yet he's 80.
Yes, and he's spending the money that somebody made like in 20 years
Ago.
of his life. Yes, 20 years or 40 years of his life. They can give it to a 25. Take what is happening around.
Yeah.
A senator's child or a rich man's child.
Even the judges, most of their children are now
on the bench.
Either they're on the bench
Or the
or they are senior
magistrate.
advocates.
Or they are senior advocates.
And
Even
the
senior
children
advocates.
of senior advocates are
Are
senior
senior
advocates.
advocates, yes.
So wives of senior advocates are senior advocates.
Yes.
Lawyers don't have any say in that.
At all. So now what is going to happen is that if you have a 25-year-old son and you have enough money, you make him governor.
You know,
Or run the house. The house.
and stay in their house and giving him orders.
Now look at what's happening there. People who are in the political class, for instance, a child of 18 years drives a car of 40 million.
Or 40 million.
50, 30
Which is happening now. Let us say in Abuja.
Yes. A
In Abuja.
child of 18 years.
18 years.
Drives a car of 30 million, 40 million.
Some of them, no nonsense.
No, yes.
No nonsense.
If you look at the boy, you know that he didn't make the money. It's not his money.
And even the power bike they use, if you go to my on
the power bike, yes.
Sunday, they screech the floor with their bike, and the bike is over 20 million.
Is a lot of money. That is what they are going to do in
politics.
In the politics, yes.
Politics.
Yes, we begin to see people who were rehabilitated from drugs.
Too old to run. That is a bill. It's a bill. It should come under that one. They can call, even they cannot change. When they did the constitutional amendment, they removed the political parties. It must belong to a political party.
Yes.
I think they changed that one, which is a constitutional amendment, and it's in that provision of age limits. Meanwhile,
But see, they don't allow independent candidacy.
not up till today. I think they allowed it. They allowed it in the bill before Jonathan left, and that one was thrown out. Only the 8th Assembly never passed.
Okay, yes.
He didn't sign it, but they allowed it.
No, that's what should happen now.
No, the 8th Assembly would have just dusted the whole thing and then take it to the House and then pass it and move it to the President for his answer.
The National Conference report or something.
Yeah, no, not National Conference.
The amendment.
National Conference gave that one too.
Yes, I know.
And then the amendment gave it to.
Yeah.
But the 8th
The
Assembly.
revolution we need to change Nigeria is not dragging people under party politics and party loyalty.
Party politics should be there. Independent
Yes.
candidates will be there.
Yes.
So those who don't want party politics can go to house to house, and if the people want you, they vote for you.
Not for you. They don't stop them from taking elections.
So there is nothing to celebrate, as you asked.
Yes.
There is nothing to celebrate until that independency is attached and is done properly.
Yeah. Now, if that bill is a check to independent, to young people in court, it is a dot check.
Yes, it's a dot check.
It's a dot check. Politically, it's a dot check.
By 1999, they will see there is a dot check.
It's a dot check. Now, there also this issue of that what they should have done, the young people should have asked for, is appointment. There's no minister. Some ministers are 80 years.
Some ambassadors, not ministers alone, ambassadors. 84 years.
The minister of agri is more than 80 years. 80 years.
Yes. If you
And he's a
allow
minister.
that, as a minister, and so many of them.
I think that's where they should have done something. They said, look, if you are 70 years old, who not appoint you a minister?
In short,
Even 60, 65.
No, 70.
Who appoint you a minister?
Because of the recent UN allowance, bringing 65 to be young people. You know, recently. It's 65 years now because of the age brackets. If you say 60 up to 65 years old, you say, are you up to that age? So now the United Nations have said 65 and down.
Still a young man.
Young man.
Yes.
Young person.
So what you are saying is
70, you should
70
retire.
years old, you will not be appointed a minister.
A minister, you can't be a president.
You can't be a president. You can't be a governor. There must be an age limit to things.
But you can be a special advisor.
You can be advisor.
Advisor,
Yes.
yes.
You can be a party chieftain.
Yes, a party chieftain, but not elective position.
Because you see, if we had this age limitations or qualifications for appointment, that's when young people
Can
they will
benefit.
they will gather experience. They will now go into politics as it were. But there's someone that is 35 years, graduated 10 years ago, 50 years ago, he has no job.
He has no job, so he has really no experience.
What is he bringing on the table? Yes. And they organize employment. Yeah, they organize, you go there, see someone that is 40 years.
Yeah.
He's looking for employment after graduation.
After graduation.
And he's supposed to retire at 65. So he has only 25 years to work.
That is if he goes there at 60. But if he goes there at 50, then he has 10 years. And what rank will he achieve with 10 years?
You know, one magistrate retired as a chief magistrate. So he looked at his chances of being made in church. He's already 65. He said, well, he's only going to go and look for somewhere to work in the senior advocate chambers. That place they can allow him to stay till 70. Because if he hit the bench, he won't go far.
He won't go far.
He won't go far.
We'll just have 5 years and then.
Yes, that's the problem. So I don't know what they mean, not too young to run. It's funny.
Well, that was, I don't know, I've not read it.
He says,
if that is a heading, well, I don't know why we're quiet up to this time. We have made them to go through the normal process, the legal process, you know, so that you can head it and head it well. Well, now not too young to run, they are there, but they cannot achieve much. They cannot achieve much.
They can't achieve anything.
Anything. No, they will achieve because their fathers will put them there.
And those who have fathers, who have godfathers.
Few of
But
them.
Godfather will never end them because what will happen? We have been fighting Godfather.
No, Godfather will continue.
Because if I'm
As long as we play money politics, Godfather will continue.
if I'm 25 or 30 and I want to run for a post and I have not even gotten a
You
job,
go and watch play in that man's house for as long as he wanted.
you become his servant.
But up till now, the man will just walk in. Someone will just walk in. Say, hey, I want to. Are you not going to be a senator? That boy that he made a senator. So you can see, if that's exactly what is going to happen.
Because they don't have economic
And the other boy have a little bit of sense. These people are almost. They're almost forfeiting. They're almost bound down. Nothing they can do.
We have
The
not
other people have a lot of sense, a sense that they will be able to play you here and there. But this man will say, okay, you come on, you are Jide's brother. You will be the next governor of the state.
Yes, they put your suit on you.
Everything you run down to him for advice.
I don't understand what they mean by it. For me, I think that the celebration is actually because of the misunderstanding of what right this bill confers.
Yeah, it
This
is.
act confers.
But the celebration is among the young people. I'm sure after the discussion, after listening to this discussion, they'll go home and think about it.
Even the owner of it, I think is a member of the house that introduced that bill.
No, they approach him. They approach him to introduce them.
Okay.
But because he's a young person, although he's above 35,
Yes.
he's above 35, but
Yes.
he initiated it.
The bill have not.
After a month, the senator took it over.
You know, the bill has not achieved anything. For me, Because if you ask me to run at the age of 8 years, have you given me the opportunity? Have you given me the enabling environment? Have you given me the economic support that will make me to run at that age? The issue of running for politics here is not actually age in terms of when you enter. We are having problem in terms of when you exit.
It's more of when you exit.
Yes,
because if leave election for everybody. Maybe you are 18, you can stand.
If you have the right to vote, if you are mature enough to vote,
you have the right to be voted for. You stand. If I like you, I vote for you. But what we really are problem of this country is those who are, instead of exiting, they refuse to exit.
Yeah, they create a jam.
10 years, 70 years is enough.
Why would a minister be 80 years?
80 years, 70
80 years. Why would an ambassador be 84 years?
84 years, 78. And to major countries,
it's crazy. 80
years have been judges. From judges, they retired though.
No.
Instead of going to retirement, they
write books on law.
They don't write books on law.
And proceed.
Judges of Supreme Court, retired justices of Supreme Court, are now
makes sense.
Ambassadors.
For what?
Who are the career ambassadors are there?
Yes, who are supposed to be
supposed to move on.
Yeah, move on.
At assistant director level, they move on.
They move on. Yes. Our problem is that the whole bill for me was misconceived seriously.
Yeah.
Moreover, if it's not an amendment of the constitution, it cannot stand.
That's my view on it.
Well, we have to revisit it again when we look at the bill itself and see whether it's actually an amendment of the constitution or not. But if it is not, of course, nothing has been done. And even if it is, nothing has been achieved. At least that's our position from here. Thank you for coming to the program.
It's a pleasure.
As usual, I'm grateful. Well, you have had it all. This is our position from the Legally Speaking studios, and we are not shutting you out. Use these addresses on your screen right now to get back to us. Let's know what you think about it so that the discussion can continue. But what I've said here is our position. God bless you.